Hey guys, welcome back. I wasn't gonna make a video today because there's a lot of nothing happening today in the markets. So yeah, basically I have nothing new to add for Bitcoin, and I'm just bullish until the fork. If nothing crazy happens before the fork, I will continue to say the same every day. Basically, I'm just bullish until the fork. And once we get closer and closer to the date of the fork, then I might find targets or do some more specific technical analysis, or if I can see something crazy happening before the fork, then I would update on YouTube. But so far nothing new, just hold until the fork. And then I'm very bullish on Bitcoin Cash for the long term. I'm not buying yet. I did this little trade here that I shared the other day, but I just sold here, and I am not buying yet. But if this consolidates at this level, more or less, I think that this could be the beginning, the first little wave before the real bubble. I was looking at this chart. If we don't go back down all the way down here, if we consolidate around this level, that would be the first bullish signal. And it makes sense because this bubble that we had here, we didn't even go that high. I mean, in terms of percentage, whoops. This was not even 300%, 250%. So that's nothing for crypto, and especially for Bitcoin. So I think the real bubble for Bitcoin Cash, it's still to come, and it would make sense that it would come after the 2x fork, maybe. I don't know. If we think about the fundamentals, it would make sense that after the block is mined for that fork, maybe, you know, big money would probably start trading their Bitcoin for Bitcoin Cash, and I'm talking about specific millionaires. You guys know what I mean, I guess. So I'm very bullish on Bitcoin Cash for the long term, but I'm not buying yet. Basically, I'm looking at this line here. I set a line here at 0.0778 Bitcoin. So if that line is broken on the way up, which I don't expect this line to be broken very, very soon. It'll take probably days or maybe, you know, after the fork, I don't know. But if this consolidates at this level, unless this starts to crash now, if it starts to downtrend, like, then, you know, I'll change my mind. But if it consolidates more or less at this level, nothing crazy. Once it breaks this line up and it stays above this line, that would, if we have enough volume, I would read that as a breakout, and maybe it's when the real bubble is gonna be here. And if the real bubble kicks in, then you can imagine we're gonna go many times higher than this. That's it for Bitcoin Cash. Bitconnect, I expect Bitconnect to be tomorrow at $250. This is basically creating an equilibrium pattern or a bull flag, whatever you want to call it. It's lower highs and higher lows, and this is the pole of the flag. So it goes from 212 up to 233. So it's around $20 long, so I would expect when it breaks 230, it'll go to 250. I think it'll happen sometime tomorrow, because it's when this coin BCC is going to be added to this big exchange. So it makes sense that it's getting tight now to explode sometime during tonight or tomorrow. So the first target is 250. I think that's a conservative bet. So that's my call for that. And then ZENcash, this could also be, it could, but there's nothing confirmed. I'm not buying this or anything yet, but it could be also the first stage, the first wave before the real bubble. But we will have to see. I'm just watching it. I don't have any targets or anything, but I'm watching it. If it continues to go down from here, if it retraces 80% or more, then probably nothing. But if it stays somewhere around this level, this could signal that it's the first little wave before exploding. So I will be updating on that if I can see anything. And I think I'm gonna leave the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.